may karapatan ba para humingi ng increase, no? Sa batas, no? This is from the legal point of view, no? Sa batas, so mayroon malinaw ang sinasaad ng labor code natin sa Constitution na kapag yung mga pinapatrabaho are already beyond the terms and conditions of your employment and your job description and over the time doon sa tinakda ng ating labor code, yung 8-hour period of work, may karapatan para humingi ng overtime saka mag-increase. So, doon sa katanungan, mayroon karapatan. Pero, alam niyo ho, si Tani, si Jackie, ang sa akin kasi ang disposition ko iba. So, this is from the other side, no? From the legal point of view, yes. You can go to the DOLE, you can go to the to the Department of Labor, you can go to NLRC for purposes of demanding. At sigurado po yan, you have all the rights at mananalo ka. Kasi karapatan po yan. Lalo na yung oras natin ay dapat bayaran. Pero mayroon kasi akong concept diyan eh. Well, this is kung okay lang. This is my point of view on the matter. Hindi ho ito yung legal. Yung legal na sagot ko na ho, okay ho yan. Pero from my end, from my own perspective, ako kasi hindi ko tinitignan yung sweldo eh. Mayroon ngang katabihan na you work on yourself, not you work and improve yourself, not on your job. Kasi for you to be able to become valuable, and for you to be able to dictate, no, yung anong dapat na sweldo mo. Ganun po yung sa aking perspektibo.